Welcome to Gideon Grammar Booklet Level One-S, where the student should complete 2 pages each day. In this book, the student will review key terms from part of Grammar Level 1. The key terms which will be reviewed are nouns, verbs, adjectives, common and proper nouns, pronouns, possessive nouns, coordinating conjunctions, and homophones. First, we'll review nouns, verbs, and adjectives. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A verb is an action word. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Here's an example. The happy kid smiled. Here, kid is a noun, which is a person, place, or thing. What did the kid do? The kid smiled. So smiled is our verb, since it is an action word and tells what the subject did. And last, happy is an adjective, which describes the noun kid. Next, we'll review common and proper nouns. A common noun is an unspecific noun. A proper noun is a noun that names a specific person, place, or thing. Let's take a look at this chart to compare common and proper nouns. We'll start with the word ocean, which is a common noun since it's an unspecific thing. If we were to convert this common noun into a proper noun, we could have the word Atlantic Ocean. Since Atlantic Ocean names a specific noun, it's a proper noun. Next, we have the word country, like the one that you live in. A proper noun for country could be France. France names a specific country. And last, we have the common noun teacher. Now, if we were to name the teacher, like Mrs. Stewart, it would be a proper noun. Next, we'll review pronouns. A pronoun is a word that can replace a noun. The subject pronouns we have learned in this book are he, she, we, it, and they. The object pronouns we have learned are him, her, us, it, and them. Here's an example. A young boy cried, where a young boy is our complete subject. The complete subject is all of the words that tell who or what the sentence is about. So we need a pronoun which will replace the complete subject. So we look at our list of subject pronouns and choose the pronoun which describes a boy, which is the word he. So we replace the complete subject with the pronoun he, and we go from a young boy cried to a much simpler sentence, he cried. Notice that when we replace the subject with a pronoun, the meaning of the sentence does not change. Now let's move on to our next concept, possessive nouns. A possessive noun is a noun that shows ownership or possession. In this example, it shows a dress belonging to a girl. This would be written as a girl's dress when made into a possessive noun. So the word girl with an apostrophe and an S would be the possessive noun. Remember that with possessive nouns, you will add an apostrophe and sometimes an S. Next, we will review coordinating conjunctions. A coordinating conjunction is a connecting word placed between phrases or sentences. The coordinating conjunctions are and, but, and or. Here's an example. I like math, she likes science. You should use a coordinating conjunction to combine wordy sentences. So we have our first sentence, which is, I like math. The second sentence is, she likes science. If we combine both sentences with the coordinating conjunction and, we can create a sentence that flows much more nicely. We end up with the sentence, I like math, comma, and she likes reading, where the word and is our coordinating conjunction. Always remember to place a comma before the conjunction when combining two complete sentences. Last, we'll review homophones. A homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word, but is different in meaning and or spelling. Here's an example of a homophone with the words right and right. Both words sound the same, but they're also different in meaning and spelling.